Allen Ansay, Jana Taliana, Rogin Lorzano, Ira Mariano, and Joshua Junicio.
Good morning, everyone!
Good morning! Ako po si Sofia Pablo.
And ako naman po si Allen Ansay.
Ako po si Ira Mariano.
Ako po si Joshua Junicio.
Ako naman po si Jana Talania.
At ako po si Rogin Lorzano. Today is a very beautiful and exciting day for all of us here.
Tama po, and aside from seeing everybody after a long time, nandito na naman po tayo to celebrate the important event para sa mga bata. That's true, Jana. No? And ako, personally, I'm very happy to this gathering, special gathering kasi ito ng mga tao from television and yung aspiring and children video makers.
Nakakatuwa na habang bata pa sila na nakapag-conceptualize sila at na-execute nila kailang materials kahit na diba habang bata pa sila at makikita natin ang mundo sa perspective ng bata. Kaya excited tayo makita lahat yan.
Yes, at yung mga nasa television industry who are trying their best to provide children with programs na may matututunan talaga silang lahat.
Tama, at dito naman po sa Sinibata, nasaksihan natin yung mga independent, aspiring video makers na wala man sila sa television. Nabibigyan sila ng platform na kung saan ipapakita nila yung siling nila sa pambata.
At para po sa mga nandito ngayon, balikan po natin ang dahilan kung bakit nandito tayo lahat ngayon. Panoorin po natin ito.
And by children. It is an activist effort to get young Filipinos to express themselves using the new technology that is at their fingertips. The competition is open to both the professionals and the non-professionals, including children. The children were asked to record their observations of their social and physical environment and articulate what they wish to happen with and about these circumstances. Through this initiative of Anak TV, it is hoped that children would become truly media savvy and smart media consumers, knowing what kind of programs to watch as they have been made to watch and create good video content. As in the past years, the Philippines' official entries to the Southeast Asia Video Festival for Children would always come from the winners in Sinibata. The entries in the professional categories would come from the network which tirelessly produced children's programs despite countless and growing challenges. Entries for the children's categories in the festival would normally come from children who participated in the video workshops conducted by Anak TV. This year, children from various schools nationwide attended video workshops to prepare them for the Sinibata competition. With guidance from their workshop director, facilitators, and mentors, children were introduced to effective visual storytelling as they unleashed their natural flair to create and inspire. With only 2 days for mentoring and actual production of their original concepts, including post-production, it was truly amazing how these children can allow their creative juices to flow richly, to come up with stories and production of outstanding videos that uplift mind and spirit.
We also worked hard and it was also our first time experiencing this kind of stuff.
It's still a wonderful lesson in how to be creative in our works.
Ang goal natin is ma-empower natin yung mga kabataan. And ginagawa natin yung language ng community.
Video enthusiasts, educators, and professional broadcast practitioners who are here to witness the Sinibata awarding of the best works for, by, and about children this 2024. The works of this winner will be our country's official entries to the Southeast Asia Video Festival for Children. Let us wish them all the best in the International Video Derby in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia this November. And to give you a clue, next year it will be held in Myanmar. Salamat sa inyong pagdalo sa pagdiriwang ng obra ng mga batang merong magandang mensahe para sa ating mga nakakatanda. Palakpakan din po natin ang mga producer sa television na walang tigil sa paggawa ng programang pambata kahit wala doon ang mas malaking kita at pagkilala. We really salute you know, to witness how the children...
Si Buboy, si Bantay, magkakaibigang tunay. From Knowledge Channel, Ms. Elvira Yapko and Ms. Angel Javier Cruz will award the Cinebata Trophy to the winner. I-welcome naman natin ang mga nanalo sa Professional Non-Fiction category. Simulan po natin sa 7 years old and under category.
And our winner is Hero City Kids Force Hero Festival, TBA ABS-CBN. Ms. Elvira Go and Mr. Ernie Magtuto of Net25 will award the Cinebata Trophy to our winner.
Team Yay! Gameplay Teamwork from ABS-CBN. Ms. Elvira Yapko and Mr. Orly Kabigting of INCE. Mr. King Chua will award the Cinebata Trophy.
Congratulations to all our winners in the professional category.
And speaking of professional category, isa sa Zuniga, ang producer ng Kwentuns, si Bino, si Buboy, donation to create masterpiece videos.
Congratulations to Bata Bata Ka Lang by Carl Cedric Marquez. Given the honors are Miss Elvira Yapko together with Miss Maris Federes and Miss Viz Bonalos.
Our winning piece for this category is about the young local students of Barangay Malabanan who were faced with the realization that their friendship will end due to their school's closing. Naya inspires your friends to find their voices and stand up against the situation. Ako naman ang isa sa mga Arian Luis of Light TV and Sister Evangeline Paras and Sister Sofia Morozova of Anak TV for the award.
Inabay is a story of a Mangyan girl who faced the challenges of being a prom dee who goes to Manila for the first time with people staring at her extraordinary look. But soon, she's able to win the onlookers and makes friends with those who accept her in their circle, proving that their difference in culture is never and should never be a hindrance in building friendships.
Video Makers Award for Bata Bata Ka Lang si Mr. Carl Cedric Marquez. Palakpakan naman po natin siya. And meron po akong question for you. How did you learn about Cinebata and what made you join?
Actually, yung pag-join po ng Cinebata, yung film po kasi namin na Bata Bata Ka Lang, thesis film po namin siya ng aming producer si Jeremy, saka si Francis, yung writer po. So, nung dinefend po namin siya sa Benilde nung December, talagang tinarget po namin na mag-join ng local film festivals. And thankfully po, yun po, naka-achieve naman po kami nila Zoe Lucas at ang buong team ng mga nakasama po kami sa iba't ibang local film festivals. At nitong early January and past months po, very thankful po kami kay Lord dahil nabigyan po ng opportunity yung bata-bata ka lang na makatungtong sa international film festivals. And yung prof po namin na sabi niya po, sumali kayo dito sa Cinebata, Anak TV competition. So, sinabit po namin, tapos yun, thankfully po, nakapasa po siya. So,
congratulations po again. I have one more question. As the mentor of the top winner for children category, ano ang naging guidance mo sa mga bata?
Actually, marami po kami natutunan sa process ng filmmaking dahil mga bata po yung mga kasama po namin. Sabi po nila, challenging po mag-direct ng mga bata. Pero, magaling po ang mga naging actors po namin. Naging guidance po namin siguro, nagkapare-pareho po kami sa passion and dedication sa ginagawa po namin craft, lalo na po sa story na gusto po namin i-serve at bigyan hostisya na gusto rin po namin makarating sa target audience po namin. At gusto pong patunayan ng film namin na mga bata, hindi lang sila bata lang na, pero sila mga resource, mga pinagkalaban na dapat din pakinggan.
Thank you so much, Mr. Carl. Alan?
Thank you so much, Sophia. So ngayon, kasama ko naman ngayon ng mga estudyanteng nanalo sa Iloilo City National High School para sa Friendship and Disabilities.
I will make it short. This is just to remind you, in the children category, there are always the first place and second place because the ASEAN countries agree. Sometimes we think this is the first place, but in the Asian eyes, the second might be the winner. So it doesn't mean to say if you are the second place, you are the second place. No. We will send it the first and second to Malaysia, let them be the judge. But the Filipino cannot be the judge of your work. So 9 ASEAN countries will do it. And you are winners everywhere. The fact that all of them joined the workshop, 25 to 30 students from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, that means to say you are chosen because God believes in you. So try to believe in yourself. Congratulations. So we will now, the board of directors, the governing board will deliberate because we will send one representative from this children's section to be trained in Kuala Lumpur together with the 9 ASEAN children. Thank you. Okay, so we will now have your lunch. I know, please enjoy. It's a very tiring day, but I know this is the most awaited one. So maybe one of you can say the
yung bata-bata ka lang po, actually this is film po namin siya. Kasama si Jeremy, yung producer po namin, and then si Francis, yung writer namin. So yung film po na bata-bata ka lang, isang original musical po siya na ginawa po namin. Tukol po siya sa mga 3 leads na bata na ipapasarado po yung school nila, and then gagawin po nila lahat para pahinto po yung pagpapasara ng school. And lahat po yun sa paraan ng musical. Nung natapos po namin yung bata-bata ka lang, talagang sinabit po namin siya sa iba't ibang local film festivals dito sa Pilipinas, tapos abroad. Thankfully po, nalibot po, pinalabas po yung bata-bata ka lang sa iba't ibang cinematic centers, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And then, nag-screening na rin po yung bata-bata ka lang sa France, sa Malta, and hopefully po yun po sa Malaysia po this November. Yes, heavily inspired po yung Bata-Bata Ka Lang sa isang film po na panood ko, Matilda po, the musical. So, theater person din po kasi ako. So talagang, nung nag-brainstorm po kami ng thesis mates ko, sabi ko, what if gumawa tayo ng localized version ng parang Matilda about sa mga kids na pinag-alaban yung school nila. Tapos ayun, gawin natin musical. Actually, hindi ko po inaasahan kasi nung sinabit ko po siya, hindi ko po kasi alam yung Cinebata competition. Sinabihan lang po ako ng prof ko po na isabit ko po dito sa festival na to. Tapos, nakareceive lang po ako ng email like last week na panalo po yung Bata-Bata Ka Lang for the aspiring category. So, very thankful po and super proud po sa mga kids dahil parang alayo na po nung narating namin ng film. Kasi po sila. Yes po, ang nagsulat po, yung writer po namin, si Francis Abel. Tapos kami po, ako po, music supervisor, kasama ko si Pia, and then may music team po kami. Talagang lahat po, music rehearsals, yung recording ng mga bata, nirecord po namin siya sa vinyl. Tapos, ayun, mix po kasi nakakatuwa rin po kasi yung mga kasama po namin sa music team, mga talented students po talaga from music production. Yes po, yun po ang sure na after parang stepping stone po itong thesis film po namin na Bata-Bata Ka Lang. Na talagang nung nakita po namin yung kaya itong marating, yung mga ganitong klaseng pelikula po. Kasi hindi po masyadong napapakita yung mga musicals, lalo na po sa Pilipinas. So gusto po natin yan at standardize yung mga pelikulang musicals. Ano na po yung mga tungkol sa bata? Siguro po, yun po talaga ang trabaho ng bawat filmmaker. Ang makapagbigay po ng pelikula na mag-iiwan sa audience ng mga tanong, na mga pwede na pag-usapan, realizations, kaya na tanong yung pag-iisip nila, tapos talagang kaya po mag-spark ng kahit ang interest na gumawa ng pagbabago kahit sa sarili ng mga. First of all po, maraming salamat po sa TV for the opportunity and the entire judging and organizing committee ng Cinebata. So, suportahan po natin yung mga ganitong klaseng pelikula, lalo na po yung mga tungkol po sa mga bata at mga gawa po ng mga bata. Dahil lahat po tayo may storyang gustong ipakita at lahat po tayo nang galing sa bata. So, very thank you po sa opportunity. Student filmmaker mula sa De La Salle College of St. Thank you po.